Siemens Healthcare is one of the leading suppliers of diagnostic solutions worldwide. So in the UK we provide diagnostic equipment such as magnetic resonance, CT scanners, X-rays and laboratory diagnostics. So it would be safe to say if you went to your doctor to have a test of any type in this country, there's a good chance that you'll be tested on one of our pieces of equipment. A few years ago, one of our major customers in the UK, as you might expect, is the National Health Service. They made a decision to move primarily from a 5-day operation to a 7-day operation. So they wanted to be operating across a full 7 days routinely. And we decided at that time we needed to do the same thing because we're supporting them. And we knew at that time we'd have to implement a shift system, and we didn't have the necessary systems and solutions in place to do that. So we went out looking for partners. And Totalmobile had a solution we really liked. So we implemented the Totalmobile solution about 6 or 7 years ago now. I've been very happy with it. We knew in the very early days that this would be a significant change for our organisation. So moving from fundamentally a 5-day operation, standard early and late shifts, to a full 7-day operation with flexibility was going to be a challenge. So we knew we couldn't do it. We looked at the solutions we had available within our business, and they really weren't where they needed to be. And we did not want to be basing our entire operation on an Excel worksheet. So we needed some professional assistance, and that's where Totalmobile stepped in. So we have a solution which really gives us the peace of mind that we can manage those complex shifts, and we have quite a lot now. In a large organisation of almost 300 people, you can imagine that we have a lot of flexible working and a lot of requirements which change on a regular basis. And having that flexibility to depend on the Totalmobile solution is very reassuring.
Well, for our field team, the majority of them are home workers, so they're all remote and they don't come into the office. So having an application that they can use when they're out in the field, when they're using their mobile phone or their iPad, has been a huge improvement on the previous solution, enabling them to work in the system and do whatever they need to do without having to go home, power up the laptop and work and connect from home. So it's been a huge improvement for our field staff and made a big difference to them.
It gives us one place to look, one place to manage all of the shifts, of which there are multiple across the entire team, and it gives us one solution where we can manage all of that activity in one place.
Healthcare is a changing business. It really is, and anyone who checks the 6 o'clock news knows that there's a lot going on in the NHS right now. And the shift of diagnostic services from hospital-based to community-based is happening right now. And we have to be able to support them. And that's where I think we need the flexibility of a solution like Totalmobile, so we can make sure that we can give our customers the confidence that when they need us, we'll be there. One of the biggest challenges of our organisation is understanding how we can get the right trained person to the right place at the right time. Obviously healthcare is a high pressure business to be in. So one of the beauties of the Totalmobile solution is that we can see that and we have that transparency. So we know who's available today, we know who's available tomorrow, and as is the case with many of our customers, we need to know who's available 6 months from now. So, and that's the transparency, that's the benefit we get from the Totalmobile solution.
So as a global organisation, our IT infrastructure is dictated from our headquarters. We need to adapt the local and the country solutions to fit in with what we've got. The solution we have from Totalmobile enables us to do that in a very short space of time and to be very adaptive and flexible in our working.
One of the great things from a personal perspective of working with Totalmobile is we've got a long relationship with them, and I really value that. I think our business is somewhat unique, and I think we've been working very closely with Totalmobile over the years to develop some rather new ways of doing things. And also they're extremely responsive to us when we do encounter problems. They fix them very, very quickly. So it's that relationship I think I really value. Absolutely, I'd recommend using Totalmobile.